This is Crossbreed. Crossbreed came to me as a 1986 GMC 1500 High Sierra short bed 4-wheel drive. The reason it's called Crossbreed is really two reasons. One, now it's kind of a Chevrolet. I put a Chevy grill in it, Chevy horn button. I just like the Chevrolet better this year, but GMC's fine too, so technically it's still a GMC. The bolts are just a little bit tighter. More importantly though, it now has a 5.3 LM7 with a 4L60E behind it out of a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado that we scrapped. I bought that truck. It had a rusty frame, it was cracked in half, and they were still driving it, so we scrapped the truck, used all the parts we could. It drove great, shifted great, so we plopped that engine and transmission down in here. And let me tell you, that swap is one of the easiest LS swaps I've ever seen. I would do them all day long. I mean, it just mounts, harness, bolts right up to the transfer case. Of course, this did have a 700R in it. Just a super easy swap. I loved doing it. But this truck, it's going to be driver quality. We're not making a show truck out of it. We're going to basically build it to the point where if somebody buys it and they want to make a show truck, they can do it, build it on their own time, have fun with it. But nonetheless, something that they can tinker on. You know, the show trucks are great and all, but I don't have as much time to invest in this truck to make it a show truck. And frankly, I think the driver trucks are more fun. You know, you get out there, you get a rock chip down the side of it or something, and you're not too concerned about it. Whereas my Squarebody, which some of you may have seen, some of you haven't yet, I would be kind of upset if I got a rock chip on it. So, you know, it's a truck. It's meant to be driven. So, again, Crossbreed, 5.3 LS, LM7 in it. Was a small block Chevy 305, knocking like crazy. We've done a full Flowmaster exhaust on it. It's got a great seat in it. I put a dash pad in it out of another truck I had. It was an LMC dash pad. It sucks, just so you know. But overall, the truck, I'm really pleased with it. It's just one of those trucks, you know, you get inside of it and it kind of feels like you're just ready to go fishing. You know what I mean? Like it's just, it fires up and even feels kind of like just old small block 350. It's a good riding truck. It rides smooth. It's got a good vibe to it. But we're gonna go ahead and do new brakes on it, new shocks, new brake lines, new brake hoses, anything that it needs. We're gonna service it up again to make it a good driver. And I think we're gonna throw a coat of paint on here. It's not gonna be one of them wet sand polish, you know, super shine paint jobs. Like I said, I don't have the time to do it on this one. But I think we might try some satin clear on this truck, so I'm excited about it. But without further ado, I'm just gonna take you on a walk around of it. I'm gonna fire it up and let you hear it, and we'll go from there. It's a little dirty right now, so mind me on that. Now this is just the computer and stuff. We're gonna put all that in a box, neatly tuck it over here, shorten any wires, lengthen any wires that we need to do. I'm gonna put a better intake on it. Again, I just put this thing together. We brought it to the body shop. The belt's starting to squeak again already, but it's not complete. Probably have to put a radiator support cover there. Again, driver quality, just wanted to get it in here, get it to the body shop, and then I can finish it from there. I've got a set of brand new 33 1250s for another set of rallies that I have out back, so these are all going to come off. Again, dirty right now, was clean. That's Dad's Squarebody, short bed, 4-wheel drive. We got a 6-liter LS going in that one. So, there you have it, a little intro to Crossbreed. Follow along for more.